Hey guys, it's me again. I can't start any of my small engines because I'm here in the garage again. Yep, in the garage. There's my dad's Mustang. Can't touch it or it'll kill me. It's a shelf. It's a bunch of stuff. There's my gas cans. Another shelf. And then Scott's surfboat. Yes, we bought this. We haven't used it yet, as you can tell. And we also bought this. Deluxe. Well, here's a video on all my small engines. Well, here's the errands. The simplicity. I found out what's wrong with this one. The starter seized on this. Yep. Simplicity. It's a nice little. Well, it's not little. It's actually quite big. Bridge powered. Sorry about the low light, guys. It's in my garage and don't have very good lighting in here, so yeah. Let's go outside. Turn off the lights. Keep that one on. Yeah, it's raining out here again. But into the back. I'll keep all my other stuff. We finished it off. Looks nice. It works too. Ow. Let's see. Up. Here's my shed, my little barn thing. With that thing. I have it under this so that everything will stay dry. Start over here. It's very wet out, so it is going to be all week, so let's go underneath it. Oh, here's my Briggs powered power washer. Hey guys, need some suggestions on how much oil this thing takes. It is a Generac 2300 psi pressure washer. It's got overhead valves. It's very nice. Got a lot of power to it too. Can you tell me how much oil it takes? Because I don't know. I can't find the manual either, so just put these rocks down so that water will drain. I have them both underneath this. There's my rigid shovel. Put it down there. Once again, I have the bricks. Make sure that nothing moves. Sorry about the low light. Back there I have my home light, my other home light. I've got that piece of shit. Toro racer sucks. The Toro power light with Tecumseh Snow King engine. Hey guys, it's the only one that came with it. Yeah.
Son, what are you doing?